We'll guide you through how to copy text styles in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Once the Start menu appears, search for Google Chrome in the taskbar search field and open the Google Chrome browser application from the search results. After the browser has loaded completely, click the search bar, enter Figma, and press enter on the keyboard. From the search results page, click Figma to access the design platform. After a few moments, the Figma main page will appear in your browser window. Before proceeding, ensure you have already logged into your Figma account so you can access your saved projects and editing tools. To copy text styles in Figma, locate your recent projects on the dashboard and click the project you want to edit. Once selected, the edit page of your project will open, displaying the design canvas and all available layers. Next, locate the text layer that contains the text styles you want to copy. Click on the text layer to select it. Make sure you choose the correct text element because the copy properties will be applied to another text layer later. With the source text layer selected, press Ctrl+Alt+C on your keyboard. This shortcut copies the properties and styling information of the selected text, including attributes such as font family, font size, font weight, color, spacing, and other supported text formatting settings. After copying the properties, look for another text layer that you want to update with the same appearance. You can select the destination text either directly on the canvas or through the Layers panel if it is easier to locate there. Once you have found the destination text layer, click it to make it the active selection. After selecting the target text layer, press Ctrl+Alt+V on your keyboard. This shortcut pastes the copy properties onto the selected text layer without changing the text content itself. Figma will immediately apply the formatting from the original text layer to the destination text layer. As a result, the text styles on the selected layer will become exactly the same as those of the source text layer.